Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the difference between SaaS and Paas, and I'm also going to be discussing whether or not Quickbase is a SaaS or Paas. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your support. I've been making videos for a while now, and it's really encouraging to see that so many of you are enjoying them. Now, let's get started. What is SaaS? SaaS, or Software as a Service, is a cloud-based software delivery model. With SaaS, you don't have to install any software on your own computer. Instead, you simply access the software through a web browser. SaaS is a great option for businesses of all sizes. It's affordable, easy to use, and scalable. What is Paas? Paas, or Platform as a Service, is a cloud-based platform that provides developers with the tools and resources they need to build and deploy applications. Paas is a great option for businesses that need to develop custom applications. It's flexible, scalable, and powerful. Is Quickbase a SaaS or Paas? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform. It allows users to create custom applications without having to write any code. Quickbase can be used as both a SaaS and a Paas. As a SaaS, Quickbase provides users with a cloud-based application that they can access through a web browser. As a Paas, Quickbase provides developers with the tools and resources they need to build custom applications. So, which is it? Is Quickbase a SaaS or a Paas? The answer is, it depends. It depends on how you're using Quickbase. If you're using Quickbase to access a pre-built application, then Quickbase is a SaaS. If you're using Quickbase to build your own custom application, then Quickbase is a Paas. Here are some of the key differences between SaaS and Paas. Cost. SaaS is typically more affordable than Paas. Ease of use. SaaS is typically easier to use than Paas. Scalability. SaaS is typically more scalable than Paas. Customization. Paas is typically more customizable than SaaS. So, which is the right choice for you? The best way to decide whether to use SaaS or Paas is to consider your individual needs. If you're on a budget, then SaaS may be the right choice for you. If you need a highly customizable solution, then Paas may be the right choice for you. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use SaaS or Paas is up to you. There is no right or wrong answer. In addition to the key differences between SaaS and Paas, there are also some other factors to consider when making your decision. These factors include the size of your business, the complexity of your application, your technical expertise, your budget. Once you've considered all of these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether to use SaaS or Paas. In conclusion, Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that can be used as both a SaaS and a Paas. The best way to decide whether to use Quickbase as a SaaS or a Paas is to consider your individual needs. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.